Hi, this is Jedi's for Jesus, and today we're going to make some delicious cinnamon rolls, and going to make these so much better. The Pillsbury rolls, cinnamon rolls. There's 8 in here that are smaller ones, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how we do this. Okay, the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is preset the oven to 350 degrees. If you stay all the way to the end, I've got some extra information that you could use if you don't eat all the cinnamon rolls. This is Jedi's for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. So I have all my ingredients out there on the countertop. You're going to want a pan that the cinnamon rolls fit in, and I'm using the glass pan there. You want to go ahead and spray it with some spray here. You want to go ahead and open up your cinnamon rolls here. Frosting out, put it to the side, and then just place your cinnamon rolls in here. One in the middle, and then the other ones around the side. And then you go ahead and put your heavy whipping cream in. This is a 16-ounce one. And then you just pour it in around the cinnamon rolls, just halfway up, so about 8 ounces. And what you want to go ahead and do is make a mixture of butter. This is a half a cup. You only need 6 tablespoons of this. Then you want to go ahead and put your brown sugar. You need a quarter of a cup, a half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and then you're also going to need some powdered sugar for extra frosting, and that is a half a cup. Right now I'm going to go ahead and melt some of this butter and put it in the microwave and make my mixture of butter, cinnamon, brown sugar, and a little bit of salt. Okay, I got my butter, and I'm just going to put the mixture of cinnamon and brown sugar together. So this actually has brown sugar, cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. I just go ahead and pour it on each cinnamon roll. You just know that you're going to go in there and put your finger in there and lick this later. So after that's done like that, then you go ahead and put some foil over it. So then you go ahead and put this in the oven, kind of like in the middle rack, for 20 minutes. While you got the timer going, you go ahead and start making the icing for on top of the cinnamon rolls. Okay, the way you make your icing is a half a cup of powdered sugar. And then you go ahead and put a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you start out with a tablespoon of milk, and you just want to mix it. And just add a little bit of milk at a time, so it's not that runny. I would say actually add a half a tablespoon of milk in there. Now you can go ahead and add the remaining frosting that it came with. Put that in there. Just mix all of this up. Okay, after 20 minutes of it being in the oven, you can go ahead and take it out, take the foil off. And place it back in the oven. For 10 more minutes. Alright, so now it's been in there for 10 minutes without the foil on top. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. I use these gloves that work great. And there you go. You still see some bubbling. Turn the oven off. Now just go ahead and we'll just keep the camera right there and you could just see them bubbling, and look at how delicious those look. Makes you want to run to the store and buy the ingredients to make these today. Alright, so now that's out of the oven and it's cooled for a couple of minutes. You go ahead and take your icing. You can start putting that on there. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do the taste test, and I'm going to go ahead and get the cinnamon roll right here. Look at that. That looks so good. Watch to the end how to reheat these. Absolutely delicious. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. So I took the cinnamon rolls out of the refrigerator, and this is how they look. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how I will reheat them. Or you could just eat them like this. So I would just take these out, put them on a plate. Get some of this extra sweet stuff. I take a paper towel and wet it. Normally what I would do is put it over, but that's not going to work on this time, so I just take the paper towel, put it on the side of the plate like that. Then I'll go ahead and put it in the microwave and put a lid on top of it, and I will just set it for 30 seconds. And there you go, it's warm. And go ahead and do a taste. Perfect. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.